In this video, I want to share with you 5 low competition Thanksgiving niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Okay, so as always, before I get into the niches, let's just do a quick sales update because we're coming to the end of October. So it is October 30th. And we are going to see that I'm saying that $1,546, which is almost a personal best for me. I thought my personal best was $1,500, but when I looked back, it's actually $1,600. So we still have the rest of today and tomorrow to see if we can break that. Right now it is 5 p.m. in the afternoon, early evening. Today I've only done 8 sales and $17, so hopefully we get some big orders towards the end of the day. If you want to see my daily sales on Instagram, the link is in the description. I put my daily merch by Amazon sales right here. I also do my Etsy sales as well, entrepreneur pics, gym pics, and just kind of like my life in Mexico. So if you're interested in following me on Instagram, the link is in the description. But now let's get into the content of the video and let's get into that first low competition Thanksgiving niche that I have for you. And I think this actually be a good one. This is actually the one that motivated me to make this video because I saw this one that is trending, or at least that is selling, and it is Bougie Thanksgiving. We're going to see there's only 253 results. When we go to the third page, there's still only 253 results. But if you remember, for Halloween, this niche, I put the Boo and Bougie, or Bougie, with like the ghost. It did really well. It was this design right here. So you might remember that this design was selling very well for Thanksgiving, or is still selling well for Thanksgiving. And so what I'm seeing now is that people are taking this style and just cross-niching it instead of with Halloween, but with Thanksgiving. And so like for an example of this would be this design that I found right here. So right here, Bougie Thanksgiving, and if you don't know what bougie means, it's just basically like fancy lifestyle. You like the kind of lavish and rich things. So bougie is someone who indulges in some of the luxuries and comforts of a fancy lifestyle. So if we go back to the design right here, we're going to see it was just uploaded October 27th. 2023, so just like 3 days ago. It already is selling, sitting at 944,000 BSR, not in the climate pledge friendly. And I'm not seeing any other really results for this. Like when I just go through here, I don't see any other designs like that. And I think this is going to be a good one because just we've seen in the past that when we cross niche Bougie with Halloween, it tend to do well. So I could just expect that's also going to do well for Thanksgiving as well. You can probably bet on it. You could do this with Christmas too. So if you want to do like, cross niche Bougie with Santa Claus or with Christmas, that will probably get some sales as well. But this is what it looks like right here for the Thanksgiving. If we go to test to see if Bougie Thanksgiving is trademarked, we hit enter. We're going to see that nothing is going to pop up. When we take a look at the competition on some of the other print-on-demand platforms, we're going to see it's very low in competition. So I wasn't even really able to find any examples of Bougie Thanksgiving except for this one right here. So this is Bougie and Thankful. So that could be a good idea right there. But like I said, I couldn't really find. Here's another one, Bougie and Thankful. You'd have to check to see if that is trademarked, but probably should be safe. So that could be another option, Bougie and Thankful. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see only 2 results, and I'm just seeing this right here, the Bougie Turkey. So again, that could be another option. And we go to Redbubble, it's just that Halloween one right here. Now, when I went to create a fabric, I wasn't really able to find any designs for this when I put in Bougie Thanksgiving. Let's see what happens if we put just Bougie to see what pops up. So you might be able to get some ideas here and use some of this clip art or some of these graphics and use them for Thanksgiving designs. But this first niche that I want to share with you that is low in competition for Thanksgiving is just taking Bougie and cross-niching it with Thanksgiving. You can do Bougie Thanksgiving, or Bougie and Thankful, or maybe like Bougie Mama or Bougie Turkey, something like that. But that is the first one that I have for you, and it is this one right here that is Bougie Thanksgiving. And then the second low competition Thanksgiving niche that I have for you that I also think is a really good one is this one right here. That is Thanksgiving Cruise 2023. We're going to see it's low in competition, 281 results. When we go to the third page, we're going to see that it's still only 281 results, so low in competition. And check out some of these BSRs, because if we go back to the first page, if we look at this one right here, Thanksgiving Cruise Squad 2023, we're going to see it's sitting at 465,000 BSR, and it's not in the climate pledge friendly category. This one right here is also similar, Family Cruise 2023. Now I think making memories together is trademarked, so when I make these types of designs, I change this and I say like making family memories. I think that's what I usually do. So just to make sure that you don't do making memories together, because I'm pretty sure it's trademarked. But right here we're going to see 571,000, also not in the climate pledge friendly category. So this looks like it's a really good one. If we go to test, we're going to see Thanksgiving Cruise 2023. Hit enter, nothing's going to pop up. And if we go to Etsy, we're going to see the competition is low, and only 1,000 results. And what I was seeing here, like this PNG file looks pretty much exactly like this one that I just showed you right here. So if you can't find designs on Creative Fabrica, you can just go to Etsy. Now you do have to check in the description to see if it is allowed to be used on print-on-demand sites. So sometimes they will say, now if they don't say it, what I like to do is I will just reach out and message them. I say, hey, I'll just specifically ask them, hey, can I use this on Merch by Amazon? Can I use this on print-on-demand platforms? A lot of times they will say no, but sometimes they do say yes. But look at this one. Looks like some really good ones right here. So again, you can click on this, see if it is allowed to be used for print-on-demand websites. But competition is low on Etsy. Redbubble, I'm only seeing one result right here, Family Cruise. And if we go to TeePublic, got a couple good designs right here that could work. When I went to Creative Fabrica, I wasn't able to find anything. I typed in Thanksgiving Cruise 2023, nothing popped up, and I even got rid of the 2023, just Thanksgiving Cruise, and it was just this one right here. So you might be able to get some better designs on Etsy right here. But that is the second one that I have for you. I think really good one in my opinion, and it is Thanksgiving Cruise 2023. And then the third low competition Thanksgiving niche that I have for you is one that is really low in competition, only 19 results, and it is I Belong at the Kids Table. So if you're not from the United States, when families have Thanksgiving lunch or dinner, usually they have a big family table, but sometimes there's just so many people that they have kind of like a little side table for the kids. I know that's how it was in my family, so it's pretty common. And so that's where you get this saying from, I Belong at the Kids Table. And we're going to see, like I said, very low in competition, only 19 results. I can't show you a third page because there isn't one. But if we look at this one right here, I Belong at the Kids Table, it's sitting at a 567,000 BSR. It is in the climate pledge friendly category, but all the rest have BSRs and are selling. They have reviews. And this is very easy to design for. It's basically just text. You just got to get the color scheme down and the font. So what I'm noticing here is that I'm not seeing anyone with the curvy text except for this one right here. So the way I would do this design is I would probably do something like this, but I would probably steal the colors from this design right here or from this one, using those Thanksgiving colors, because I think this is good. I would probably get rid of the might and I would just say I belong. But the way they made this is good. It just needs to be changed, the color style, in my opinion. Now I did make a video a couple days ago on how to make this style of design right here with the curvy groovy text. So if you're interested, take a look at my channel. But if we just go to test to see if this phrase is trademarked, I Belong at the Kids Table, we're going to see nothing pops up. And when we go to Etsy, there's barely like any competition either, only 13 results, which I thought was kind of a little suspicious, to be honest. But I Belong at the Kids Table right here. Not seeing too much that has to do with right here. Actually, no, this is something else. But not seeing anything that's too related to Thanksgiving, but who knows? If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see I Belong at the Kids Table has only 23 results, so very low. And TeePublic is also, well, we can't see how many results. Actually, we can because there's only 5. But here are what some of the designs look like. And I actually went to Creative Fabrica, and when I typed in I Belong at the Kids Table, I actually saw these designs right here. Now you can also do this for Christmas as well, because when people have Christmas dinner or lunch, it's the same thing. Sometimes there's a kids table, but I would probably just change the colors here. Instead of yellow to green or red, since there's candy canes, it looks kind of more like a Christmas design. Here's kind of a funny one. I Belong at the Kids Table. And here's some other ones as well. You just have to check to see that it comes with a special license. So you just click on this button right here. And these are all the ones that you are allowed to use for Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. But that is the third low competition Thanksgiving niche that I have for you. And it is I Belong at the Kids Table. And then the fourth low competition Thanksgiving niche that I have for you is this phrase right here. That is Turkey Trot 2023. Now this niche is for people that like to go on runs on Thanksgiving. So they're going to be running like 5 K, 10K, 15, 20K, maybe even a full marathon or half marathon. So that's where you're going to see a lot of the designs have like a running turkey. But we're going to see low in competition, 508 results. When we go to the third page, we're going to see there's still only 508 results. We're going to see that these have BSRs and are selling. The majority of the designs are basically turkeys that are running with the year 2023. You can also do turkey trot squad. I saw a lot of that. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, we're going to see nothing pops up for turkey trot 2023, but sometimes I like to just do half the phrase or get rid of certain words, because if we just do turkey trot, we're going to see that there actually are some that pop up. Now, none of them are an exact match. You know, like this one right here is Des Moines Turkey Trot, and it is in the clothing t-shirt category. In my course, I teach you how to read and understand trademarks, but it's not an exact match, so it is safe. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see 973 results. Again, the designs are very similar to merch by Amazon. And if we go to Redbubble, only 10 results. I thought that was pretty low for Redbubble. And we go to TeePublic, only 3 results. I thought this was kind of a funny phrase. Huffin' and puffin' for stuffin', turkey trot squad. And there was another one that I also thought that was kind of a funny one. Anytime you can do like a play on words, it's going to work well. Here's that one, huffin' and puffin' for that stuffin'. That's kind of funny. Where is that one? Well, I don't think I can find it anymore, but anyways, if you can come up with like a funny phrase that rhymes, that's going to do well. But yeah. Oh, actually, if we go to Creative Fabrica, we're going to see what some designs you can get. So I just typed in turkey trot right here. So not the best ones. Oh, this is what I saw right here. So burning thighs before pies. So this is the phrase, the funny phrase that rhymes. You can just get this one right here and just basically delete the Trot 2021 and just type in your own Trot 2023, and you get a nice design right there. Just have to check to see if it comes with a special license and see if it does. And yes, it looks like it does, so very cool. So this could be a good one for you right here. But that is going to be the fourth low competition Thanksgiving niche that I have for you, and it is Turkey Trot 2023. And then the last low competition Thanksgiving niche that I have for you is I'm just here for the mashed potatoes. If we take a look at the results, there's only 290 results. Third page, there's still only 291 results. Here are what some of the designs look like, and this design can be scaled. You know, I just chose mashed potatoes because, I mean, who doesn't like mashed potatoes on Thanksgiving? But you can use, like, you know, pumpkin bread, cornbread. You can probably do all types of different types of popular Thanksgiving dishes. But we're going to see, like, this is a raglan, which is kind of rare to see, sitting at 508,494. This t-shirt right here. You can see this design, they're using the retro, not even using any clip art, just text and these bars. So that's pretty cool. So we can see this niche is low in competition, selling. When we check test to see if it's trademarked, I'm just here for the mashed potatoes. Nothing pops up. And competition is low on Etsy, only 1,000 results. Redbubble, we're only looking at 11 results. And you can see the top ones, there's only one t-shirt. The majority of them are all stickers. I always say that stickers are the best selling product on Redbubble, and they should be your thumbnail in my opinion. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see what some of the other designs. Don't do stuff like this, that'll get you in trouble. But I'm actually not really seeing any designs. I'm just here for the pie, for the pumpkin pie. That's another one. And if we go to Creative Fabrica, I actually found some designs right here. Just have to check to see if they come with a special license. And it looks like these 3 right here do. So you can get some designs and you can use those for merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. But those are going to be the 5 low competition Thanksgiving niches that I have for you. Comment below which ones you think are good, which one you think are maybe not that good. I read every one of your comments. I got the app on my phone, so every time you comment, I just get a notification, and I love reading your comments, and I will respond to every single one of them. So make sure to comment. Also, if you want to direct message me, you can follow me on Instagram. Like I was saying, you can just send me a message right there. If you want to ask me something about merch by Amazon, or if you just want to talk, just hit me up. Let's get to know each other. But if you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I actually have an affiliate link in my description. So if you just go to any one of my videos, right here where it says my favorite POD tools, it's this link right here. Now it is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my affiliate link, I do get a small commission. But like I always say, Creative Fabrica. Is it Creative Fabrica or Creative Fabrica? I heard someone saying Creative Fabrica the other day, and I was like, have I been saying it wrong this whole time? Anyways, I don't know. I'm calling it Creative Fabrica. But like I say, you got fonts, graphics, AI, courses, a whole POD section. In my opinion, it's just so much easier to be able to just come to Creative Fabrica, download these designs, not have to design them myself or actually pay a designer, wait for them to get the design to me. Maybe I don't like it, I have to send it back, blah, blah, blah. I don't have to deal with all that. Just let me sign up to Creative Fabric and let me download the designs. All I have to do is just type in a keyword, download it, upload it to Merch by Amazon, type in some keywords on Merch by Amazon, and boom, I got sales coming in. So definitely recommend Creative Fabrica. Again, link is in the description. And if you're looking, actually I'll have 2 courses as well. Forgot to mention those. So
in this video, I want to show you how you can niche down in a very popular niche.
Shit.
Hello everyone, my name is Mike, full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms.
Okay, so sorry about that. Might have to edit that out. But what I was trying to say here is that I have these two courses on Udemy. They're for Merch by Amazon and for Redbubble. Now, these courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon on Redbubble. They're only $19.99 or sometimes they're even $9.99. They do come with a 30 back money day guarantee. So for whatever reason you're not happy, you can just return and get your money back. But people seem to be liking it. They seem to be leaving good reviews. So if you're struggling or interested, take a look. Courses are both on Udemy. And then, like I was going to say before I start talking about the courses, if you're looking for more niche ideas, check out my playlist right here. This one, I have some Christmas niches. I got design tutorials. I teach you how I find evergreen niches. I got some 6 low competition Native American niches. I got a whole bunch of basically niches, trending niches, evergreen niches, things like that. So if you're interested, take a look. Watch the videos. I just want to thank everybody that's been supporting the channel. I'm almost monetized. It's been like a year and a half. I mean, whoever said this YouTube thing is easy was lying, man. It's been a struggle, to be honest. Basically just been putting in a lot of work, but almost there. So hopefully by, in the next 10-15 days, get monetized so I can actually start making some ad revenue from this channel, which would be awesome. I'd love to make like $1,000 a month with this channel. That'd be awesome because I could use that to pay my girl's rent. But yeah, so that is going to be it for this video. Sorry for that little interruption with the videos there, but that's going to be it. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you guys' support. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, happy Q4 and adios.